Okay, so I'm doing a quick video on how you can make payments on the microfundry. And for those of us who don't know, if you check the WhatsApp chat I sent to you, the microfundry link, which is don't forget to invest, which I've been sending for the past 10 days now. This is day 10 of 30. So for those who have not invested, you still have up to 20 days to decide and invest. When you click on the microfundry link, it takes you to your browser and it brings you direct to our campaign. This is our campaign. You can watch our campaign, everything about it. And then this is our website. This is our a Twitter page. Also, please like and follow us our page. This is our Facebook page. This is our LinkedIn page. This, as you can see here, we are accepting investment, and we've currently raised $50 from 2 investors. So to invest, you just have to click on this box and then and then type what you are trying to invest. The minimum you can invest is the $25, which we've capped it at. Of course, you can do $26. You can do, let's assuming that you want to do below $25, which is $10, and I click on invest. You can see you will not get the next page. It's going to be blank. Well, the moment I do, let's just say $26, which is above $25, you can see here next here. So you can do 100, 250, 500, 1000, 25, even up to $5,000. Okay, if you still do $5,000, you still see the next button here. Now, aside from investing, you can also check out our pitch deck. Everything that has to do with business plan, market analysis, everything is in our pitch deck. You can also go to our website to, once you go to the website, you can sign up or get started on the website to check out what I'm even talking about. Maybe you also want to experience the service. This is everything about the investment. This, we are trying to raise 70,000, and the current valuation cap is $1 million, and we are doing a 20% discount, and the minimum investment you can do is $25. This is our business strategy, solutions, and every other thing that you need to look. You can go through it, and most importantly as well, our milestones, what we've reached. These are genuine milestones. These are not fake. Oh, please, you guys should understand, these are not fake milestones. These are genuine. This is something we worked hard to get, and this is what we are using your funds to do. Okay, don't forget, it's going to be our company now. It's going to be as far as you are an investor, it's now going to be our company, and not just the real one's company anymore. And this what we want to use the funds to do: product development, marketing, operations, legal, marketing expansion, and this is the team. Currently, Rewan is only director, which is why we need to assign some legal fees, so that, just like I've said in my other videos, the company is not fully, fit to, so, but with your investment, of course, we are going to be fully, and all these people who are on this list are going to be, part of the company directors, and everybody's going to be a shareholder, all those things, so this is a team, and this is their LinkedIn page. You can see about me, so this is Ilesomi. This is the VP for finance. This is Rukat Yusuf. This is the head of HR. This is Abdul Hakim Abdul Rashid, which is head of sales. This is Anthony Boriowo. This is VP risk and compliance. And you can see this is Adedoyinka. This is the lead software programmer. And if you want to check out our website, all you just need to do is to come to that website world logo. This here, you click on it, it takes you to our website. As you can see here, you can see this is our website here. So you can also register your device, to see how it works. So once you click on register my device, it loads, and it brings you to this option where you start your registration process. It is smooth and very easy. So that's all about investment. If you want to invest, just click on this. And also, I'm going to tell you that if you invest, you are getting more than just shares. You are also getting other things. I've said that in my other videos, but I'm going to just repeat it again. These are the things that you're going to get. You're going to get a reward here. You're going to get if you're a $25 investor, or 25 to 25 to 50, this is what you are going to get. I've done that in my other videos. If you do 50 and above, 50 to 100, this is what you're going to get. If you do 100, this is what you're going to get. 100 to 249, you're also still going to get this. Then $250 to $500, that's a big gap. This is what you're going to be getting. And then 500 to 1000, these are strategic partners. This is what you're going to be getting. And then 1000 to 25, these are founding circle. And these are angel supporter, those that want to invest up to 5000. That 5000 is the maximum we want to collect. Please, 5000 is the maximum we want to collect. And we are looking forward to getting this done. We can't wait till January, because we want to kickstart uh, uh, the first quarter of 2026 with an amazing strong foot in the technology industry. You can look at that. You can check out the videos, the short video we did about how we want to make warranties the new standard for everybody who is investing in tech. Thank you very much, and then I wish you all the best. I wish not just you to invest. I also want you to share it with your friends and family, so everybody can benefit. Thank you, and then enjoy your day.